Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to just click on this Windows icon, and here I can see my username, and this is the profile picture I'm talking about, which we want to change, right? So just click on this and then click on change account settings. So when I click on change account settings, it opens this kind of window, and here you can change your profile picture. So you can see this section which says adjust your photo, where you can take a photo from your camera which is inbuilt or your webcam, or you can just choose the picture from your Windows operating system. So I'm going to choose a file which is available in my Windows operating system, and I'm going to select that file and then click on choose picture, which is going to add this profile picture on my Windows 11 operating system. So now when you will log out of your Windows 11 operating system and when you will sign in with your credentials, you will see this profile picture at the login page also. Okay, so you can see this picture is set, and when you close this and then click on this Windows icon once again, you can see my profile picture is set. Let me show you one more way of reaching to the same settings for the profile picture, which is this location. So if somehow you don't see this option here, then what you can do, you can just right click on your Windows icon. This is a right click and not a left click, and then click on settings and then click on accounts. Okay, and then click on your info and you will reach to the same point. One more way of reaching to the same point is just click on the search icon and then search for settings app, and then click on the settings app and then click on accounts and then click on your info, which will also lead you to this window. Okay, so this is how you can change your profile picture on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.